Hey guys, it's Emery, and please do not get distracted by my hair. It's kind of crazy right now. But today I am showing you something that I actually made. I lost the already video. You probably already saw it, but I lost the video of it. But I put an egg. This is an egg, guys. In vinegar for 24 hours, and it became this squishy, egg, like the yolk formed in it, and this is like the white stuff. And I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I had to play a game quick. Hunt with friends. Well, anyways, I put this in for vinegar for 24 hours, and it became this squishy, really like squishy, guys, and I love it. It kind of still smells like vinegar, but that's okay, I guess. But I love it so much. It's just so fun to squish and stuff. But if you drop it from a high surface, it will splat and end up just like a raw egg. I'm not going to do it because I want to keep this for a little bit longer. But I probably will make another one and do it. But that will be in a different video. But it's really squishy, like, it's kind of strong, but if you just go like really hard like this, it will pop. That's why you have to go kind of soft. Not a lot, but if you look closely, guys, you could see the yolk. It's kind of hard floating inside, but it's a little duller on camera. But guys, this is how hard I can press on it. I'll show you with my thumb without it popping. It's still fun to play with, but it will smell like vinegar for a little bit. But it's really cool, and it is like thing like this. You can go like this, but if you drop it like from here on a hard surface, it won't survive. But this is a blanket, so it's not a hard surface. It's just super fun to play with. And like you can put it on top of your head and stuff. But I love it. But guys, from the top, there's some air, so it's funner. It's fun to squish because it's like light. And when you go like this, you can press down on it. But I just love it so much. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, too. It's been kind of busy. But I love this so much. I bet you guys, you should try this at home. I did this to 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. That's not 24 hours. It's 12 hours. No, 9 p.m. to 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. Saturday, and then 9 p.m. on Sunday I took it out. That's 24 hours. But it's so fun to play with. And I could play with this all day long. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. My new subscriber shout out goes to WIDC_Maddie20 and Danielle_ Go check out their channels. And today's number is 24. If you comment 24 down in the comments, if you subscribe, I will give you a shout out in my next video and tell you go check out your channel and stuff. And you guys should definitely try this at home. But if you do subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you dislike it, that's okay. Everybody does not have to like the same thing. And if you do subscribe, you become a part of my re-team, so you're a re-person. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye!